Stop this now. Yes, I'm talking to you. There are daily habits you repeat every single day that are silently damaging your health. And the scary part? Most people think they are normal. Welcome to Healthnest, where we share simple health tips that protect your life. Today, I'm exposing common daily health mistakes you must stop immediately. 1. Coffee before water. You wake up, and the first thing you reach for is coffee. But after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Starting your day with caffeine instead of water increases acidity and stress hormones. Instead, drink water first. Your body will thank you. 2. Holding your urine. You're busy. You ignore the urge to use the toilet. You say, "I'll go later." Repeatedly holding urine can increase your risk of infections and bladder problems. Your body signals for a reason. Don't ignore it. 3. Using your phone before bed. You're in bed, scrolling. One more video. One more post. That blue light reduces melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep. Poor sleep weakens your immunity, increases weight gain, and raises stress levels. Put the phone down. 4. Eating too fast. When you eat too quickly, your brain doesn't register fullness. You overeat. You feel bloated. You gain weight. Slow down. Chew properly. Give your body time. 5. Not getting sunlight. Many people stay indoors all day. No sunlight, no fresh air. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D. It improves mood, bone strength, and immunity. Step outside. These habits look small, but small habits done daily create big health problems. You don't need expensive medicine. You need awareness. Which of these are you guilty of? Comment below. And if you care about your health, subscribe to Healthnest. Your body is your responsibility.